Good morning, guys. So today is 25th of December, and today is the day we start our barbecue party. Today is the day for the barbecue party. Let me show you the barbecue that we have got this time for this year. It's around $20 or something. You guys see and judge yourself what we get, what kind of stuff we get for, at what price. Let's go and check it out. So here is the barbecue that I was talking about. This grill didn't came with it. This is the grill of old barbecue, as you can see, made of steel. I drilled these pieces in to keep this guy in place. It's all steel. Show you in front. Here is the door that we can make the ventilation go up and down. I will see this in action, at night time and the late evening, not night, and show you its performance. So, and by the time what goes in the day, we will be recording and showing to guys, like my little niece who will be joining us, and my sister and my brother-in-law will also be coming. So let's wait for them to come. Okay, I forgot to show you guys the skewers. Here are the skewers. These are all completely stainless steel that came with this barbecue. It has 6 of these thin ones and 2 of them are long ones, and one is this big huge completely flat one, big one for big things, maybe holding up big chickens. Let's see what our special guest you have seen yesterday's video, previous video. So here is she. What is your name? Kadika.
जोरे बोले जोरे
Kadika, तू कहाँ से आए?
कहाँ से
What are you eating? You're eating chips. Is it good? Is it tasty? Yes. Are you going to eat lunch after this? Yes, sure. Prawns? Chingdu? And here is my lunch. One prawn curry, prawn in cream, coconut cream, and this is my shahi dal and rice with cauliflower and potatoes. Going light on this lunch because at evening we are going to have barbecue party. There is going to be a lot of chicken protein, so trying to have my greens and pulses before that. Well, after that we won't be able to have these things. Alright guys, here is our setup of our barbecue. It is the top grill. Down there, here is our coal, beautiful coal that we're going to put over this little bit of cardboard and light it up so we can have some hot coals. Let me set up some coals, then we will show you. So our brother-in-law is going to light up. As you can see, smoke is rising. We are trying to set this cardboard on fire so that this cardboard will light up the coals. What you are enjoying your barbecue? What's going on? Here is our artist, little artist. Cardboard is on fire. Tools are all catch fire as soon as add tools and then we will wait for the hot tools. So we can start our cooking on this barbecue. Don't worry, nothing will catch fire. Everything is at a safe distance. And guys, we have fire now. As you can see, fire is burning. We are just waiting for 5 more minutes to get the red hot coals. As you can already see, the red hot coals are here, almost here. And we are also going to use some of this thing. There is butter, some oil to save butter from burning, with some black pepper and salt to baste our chicken, tandoori chicken style. And here we are. Our chicken is on the grill on hot coals, as you can see. We have to remove lots of coals because it was getting too hot. We'll check it out when we turn it over and start buttering them.
yum, yum.
Garam hot.
Hot, it's hot. Wait.
It's so hot.
It's so hot, yeah.
Oh, where are you?
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
And I was sleeping beauty. Yeah, madam.
Mobile duty, mobile phone.
দেখো ডগ বেরোচ্ছে বড় সাইজ থেকে আসো
See, Mama is looking like you hear it? Come on. Achha, okay, what is the sound of wolf? What is the sound of wolf?
And just like that, our celebration of 25th December was over. And for them to go home back. So guys, if you liked the video and enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video with more glimpses of our Indian life. So guys, stay safe and Happy New Year.